Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sweetie and today is my 46th day of a 90-day challenge of spoken English. So I have completed my 50% of my challenge as it is of 90 days and I completed my 45 days and today is my 46th day. Then it is very good thing and I'm going to do great. Okay, so today I don't have any specific topic to talk, but I can talk generally. Hmm. So once I talked to me and I was like, I told you in my one video that I took 2 years to start this challenge. Should I feel guilty? Because I took 2 years and it's a very long duration, very long. Then I was like, no, what if I could not start, and what if I did not start this even now? Then I would still stuck on that hesitation, on that comfort zone. I still I still would make videos and I could not upload. But now as I took this step, okay, I took this step after 2 years, but now I can upload. And of course, day by day my hesitation, my comfort zone will be overcome. Then it is a very great thing. And you know what, like as I told, should I feel guilty? Guilty word is very small, but it is a very very great negative impact. I mean, if we see, like, if you stuck in that guilt, in any guilt, then it will ruin your life. I mean, and there is nothing to stuck in any past memories. These we can even don't stuck even past and future. We have to be live in present. So that's why we have to do mindfulness. Whenever I do yoga in the morning, I always, though it is very hard to present in present moment. Whenever you do anything, then you, okay, first I will have to define what is mindfulness. Whenever you do anything, then you have to be present at that moment. It doesn't mean you are doing something work and you are thinking about something else, something memories and all these things. You have to be present at that time. Okay, so whenever I do yoga, I always try to I always try to do that practice of mindfulness. Though I cannot do, means I cannot, I'm not able to do it perfectly, but I always try. Every day I try. That is for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and like I try to do for 5 minutes, but I always, it is very difficult to that particular that mindfulness practice. Then I will do only for 2 minutes, but it's okay. I mean, still I'm trying to do every day. It is very big thing. So that's why I'm saying, like, there is nothing to be feel guilty and stuck in past memories and wasting time about thinking of future. Nothing. You even don't know what is your future, though you know about your past, but you know what is your past. And it is, uh, there is a lesson in Hindi, in my school days. Atit mein dabe paun means your feet are still stuck in your past. And if you could not able to drag out your feet from that past, then you will not live in present, and not even, you can't not even live in your future also. Because all the actions you do in your present, it means that all these actions will happen in future also, because the impact of these actions will be happen with you in future. So it is very necessary what are the actions you do in your present, because all the impact of, as I said, all the impact of these present actions will be happened in future. So that's why there's a saying like you have to be think even twice. What will you go, what will you go to do in your present? There is nothing like without thinking you start doing anything. No, you have to be think twice. That's why I'm saying, I mean, it's a very, I mean, great thing. So at that time I told to me like, of course, there is a very, of course, I did mistake and I should have start this thing even before. But it's okay, I mean, there is nothing like that I should have, went into guilt and I waste my time. No, no, not at all. I mean, sometime this thought came in my mind suddenly, and I was like, should I guilty? Then I was like, no. If at that moment, if I feel guilty, then I can waste my this time, and all the negative aura is also created. Then it is very very negative thing, and I can't uphold these negative aura nowadays, because I want to be make me very positive. And that's why I know I'm doing mistakes, but the courage to overcome these mistakes, it is very, charming. I'm nowadays I don't feel afraid to overcome and to do mistakes. I know if I make mistake, then I have courage to overcome these mistakes. Then it is very, great thing. Okay, so these are the things I want to tell you. And okay, thank you. Jai Hind.